Can I divide the AV loop?
One moment, please.
Okay, we wait.
Now you can divide the AV loop.
Okay.
Can you confirm that all shunts are closed?
Yes, all shunts are closed.
Okay.
AV loop divided. Are you ready for me to cannulate the patient?
Yes, correct ACT.
Okay.
Can you turn on the suction pump, please?
Pump sucker is on and it is okay to cannulate.
Okay, thanks.
Advance the arterial line.
Advancing the line.
Okay, perfect. Do you see a line pressure?
Yes. The ALP approximates the map.
Okay.
Test the arterial line.
Testing the line. Position is good.
Okay.
You can clamp the arterial line. On my side, the venous cannula is connected and opened. Are you ready to go on bypass?
We are ready for bypass. First, the ACT is greater than 480 seconds. Second, the arterial cannula position has been confirmed. And third, the venous cannula is connected and open.
Okay.